Okay, what I'm doing now, we started with a big chunk of sand, and I'm doing what they call terraforming. and so this is where I set the land to where I want. I want a big lagoon in the middle here. So, and we'll have to go underwater here in a bit, but right now we're just doing the rough cut. And we'll take it almost all the way back so we have just a little bit of walking space. We might leave a little bit of this out here. Alright. Well, I may have just crashed. I don't know. Okay, I did in fact crash last time, and I was up here terraforming. And what you want to do when you terraform, basically, get over here, and I want to edit the terrain, and I'm going to lower the terrain. And the size of my bulldozer was like last night. So I want to whack this out. That's lowering it. I think the water goes down to 30 meters, so we can have a pretty deep lagoon. So you want parts of it to be deep and other parts you don't want to be too deep. Okay? We'll leave a little bit of a island out there. I think I'll probably do that island in a different place. More out front, maybe. Then again, that could be nice there too. Now back here, I was just going to whack all this out, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have several more islands back over this way. Put bridges to them. Where we can have a little bit of a waterway to have fun. Race around an island. So we'll just keep trudging right along here, and I want less shoreline so it can have more fish and stuff going on out here. And always build houses too over poles. Of course, we have our Hawaiian music going. And let me see if I can figure out how to do that chat right now. So, continuing to build out here. We want a canal that we can navigate pretty easily through here. We're just getting the first shaping done here. We will build up some stuff and create even more of a unique island. And I think that we do this along the sides out here. As I learned in the past, do this because you can't run along the lot lines. So if we want waves out here that we can actually navigate through, we'll put waves. So we can do all of that. Big chunk of land here. I need to maybe cut it this way as well. This is camming around, so half the challenge of camming around is getting your camera in the right place. And we don't like straight lines. We want everything to look kind of sort of naturally hacked out by nature here. Alright, let's start building out front here, taking this coastline down. Have to do the same thing on the other side. There's a way to take the water visual out. I'll have to look at that and see if I can remember how to do that. So just as easily as we can take this down, we can also raise the land up a bit. So if we want to create a little bit of a hill here, that's kind of fun. Same thing over here. Let's just create a little bit of a hill here. And stretch it out. Alright, let's see what we got here. We're just going to stop flying. We won't get hurt. There we go. So we'll have this little bit of a hill here, little feature. And got one over here. Now we're underwater and we can breathe. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Pretty shallow. I'll have to fix that. I actually have a boat that functions, so that'll be kind of fun. Let me just take a look and see what we've got. And we can smooth that out nicely on our next pass and see what we have. Let's go up. And I want to get over here. I want to take off some of this land. They got waves way out there. Tell you what, let's do this. Okay, whoops. See where this lot line is. It may be out there quite a ways. I think it is. Let's see by my map. Oh, maybe not. No, that's the lot line right there. Okay. Get down here. Let's edit the land again. This way we'll have lots of usable ocean to go driving around in, which is really the fun part of SL, or can be. There's lots of fun parts of SL. Eat this up a little bit here. This peak out here, and I think this is our sunset side, which I'll find out here in a minute. Okay, making it look real natural like that. We'll leave that. Well, no, we got to take that down because we need that ocean. those lot line down. Might need to take that down a little bit more there. Alright. Now let's find out. I think this is, we'll go up here to world and sun, and we can use the regional settings, but I had set it to midday. So this is our sunset. This is the pretty side. So we need to have a nice house with a balcony out here. Alright, that's how we terraform. Now let's go take a look at our island a little bit. Fly over it. Good, we got some mainland here, and then these little islands we can build on. Put a nice house down here. And I have a memorial to put up for my fallen students. I'll probably do right over here in this corner. Be a nice little memorial for them right here on sunrise. So we can go look at what that would look like in sunrise. Sunrise, very pretty. And we'll be in good shape. Alright, I'm Pietrovich Pap, and that was a little bit about how to build an island. And that will conclude this lesson, and we'll go on to the next one.